Hello, everyone. I am excited to be here with somebody who, I love doing testimonials with our agents and brag on the success they've achieved. This one's going to be a little bit unique because this is my friend Jeremy Harris, who did get started with us. And I love to see agents who just develop a passion or into a specific niche. And Jeremy's passion ended up being in new construction. And so while he's not under our roof any longer, he's still in our hearts, and he gets to come into our brokerage and share with us. And so I asked Jeremy if he wouldn't mind just sharing a little insight about what his time his time with us was like, what experiences he developed, and things that might be insightful to other newer agents when they started. So thanks for being here with us.
Thank you. I appreciate it.
And so my first question was, in describing your experience with our brokerage, what was something that contributed to the development or the foundational skill sets for you in real estate? And what examples could you share of that with our training programs or mentoring? What really helped you in that foundational years?
What really helped me was your training setting of the LP Mama effect. Location, price, motivation, agent, mortgage, and close for the appointment. A few different steps to go through to be able to build a rapport with your client, as well as get them to open up and let you know all the information you need so you can get them to the closing table. And what I learned with you and the team was that I had all the support that I needed from the team to where I can learn all that information, and that helped me all through my success in real estate. And I still use that effect today.
Makes me feel like a proud mama. I love it. And now, reflecting on your time with us, what aspects of our brokerage's culture and support systems do you think were most valuable in preparing you for your eventual focus in the new construction market?
Yes. The team that I had when I was here, they were very honest and gave me constructive criticism. I needed that and I enjoyed it. They were able to help me navigate through any type of issues that I had, and I just loved how honest they were with me and helped me get to where I am.
I call it tough love.
That's right.
If you actually care about somebody, you're going to help them with constructive criticism or correct them to be better. If you don't care, you'll find that people are just silent.
Right.
And they don't help because they just don't care. But I would say everybody here really cares about you.
Right.
I'm glad you felt cared for.
Thank you.
Are there any particular experiences or challenges that you face while at a brokerage that stand out as pivotal moments in your professional growth? And how did our team or resources help you navigate any of those moments?
Yes. I don't have any stories offhand, but I do recall my support team being excellent. Anything that I did that arose, I was able to speak with my team as well as Amanda when she was here, to the point to where everything was handled and addressed, and my team did what they needed to get me through everything.
Good. That's exactly what we want to be. It takes a team sometimes.
That's right.
And in what ways, Jeremy, did the relationship and networking that you built here during your time with us at our brokerage continue to support you as you transitioned into the new construction world? And can you share any specific examples or stories?
Yes, okay. Right now, let's see here. What story do I have off the top of my head? For me, when it comes to new construction and everything that I've learned here, I was able to just take all the information that I've learned to move towards new construction, and it's become a big success for me, and it's supported me the whole way.
Oh, that's awesome. Now, Jeremy, there's some people that are going to be watching that are new to real estate or they're thinking about getting into real estate. What advice would you give someone who is just starting out with us and coming in to get started and learn the ropes?
Yes. The first day that I started here, you told me to come in and take my time and figure out my niche. I take that to heart. I feel like if you're coming in on the team, just take it day by day, learn as much information as you can, listen to your team, take constructive criticism, and just learn the first few years. And I promise you, you'll do very well. Just make sure you figure out your niche.
Oh, that's awesome, Jeremy. Well, thank you so much for coming in. This was great. It's so good to see you.
Thank you.
As always. And if you have any other questions, don't hesitate to reach out to our team. We're here to help. And again, this is Jeremy Harris. What is the development that you're at, so we can brag on that too for you?
I'm in Southern Gales in Athens, Alabama on the golf course.
All right.
Yes, ma'am.
So great to see you,
Thank you.
Jerry.
Right.